Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into HashMaps, an incredibly powerful data structure that can make your code more efficient and boost performance. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and leave a like and comment. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's get started. HashMaps are all about key value storage. Each key is unique and it maps directly to a value. This makes retrieving data much faster compared to other data structures. A key feature of HashMaps is that if you add a key that already exists, the new value will override the old one. If the key doesn't exist, it gets added. While arrays are great, HashMaps are more efficient for certain operations. Arrays use indexes, but HashMaps use buckets. Each bucket holds key value pairs and an index is calculated to determine which bucket a key belongs to. This structure minimizes the number of elements you need to search through, making lookups faster. When you add a key value pair, the key is run through a hash function, which generates an index. Ideally, each key gets a unique index. However, sometimes different keys can produce the same index. This is called a hash collision. If too many collisions occur, performance suffers as it essentially turns the hash map into a simple array. The following example shows how the add method works in PHP algorithms, a library that is created by me. The method calculates the bucket index using the key. If the bucket doesn't exist, it creates a new singly linked list to store the key value pair. If the key is already in the bucket, the value gets updated. Otherwise, the key value pair is added to the end of the list. Now, obviously, the crucial part is the getBucketIndex method, which calculates the index. In my implementation, I use PHP's crc32 function to hash the key, but this can vary depending on the use case. Looking up a value works similarly. First, calculate the bucket index. Next, if the bucket index doesn't exist, return simply null. If the bucket exists, check the linked list for the value. If the hash function is efficient, you will find the value at the head of the list. Otherwise, you might need to iterate through the whole list. HashMaps are incredibly versatile. You can use them for caching, session management, or as simply data store in your application. The performance gains can be significant if the hash function is well implemented. We have walked through how the add method works, but HashMaps also have other methods like delete, append, or contains. The underlying principle is always the same. Everything depends on how efficient your hash function is. If you're curious to explore my PHP algorithms library, the link is in the description. Check it out and let me know in the comments if you would like me to dive deeper in other data structures like singly linked lists. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.